In this video, I will explain if you're worth over $5 million in Florida, you need this legal structure. And by the end of this video, you'll learn the specific legal framework that can shield your wealth from creditors, protect your family's legacy, and take advantage of Florida's unique asset protection laws. I'm Santiago Cueto, board-certified international business law expert and best-selling author based right here in Miami, Florida. I've spent nearly 3 decades helping high-net-worth families in Florida protect their assets from threats they never saw coming. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what the wealthy elite use to keep their money safe. Most wealthy Floridians think they're protected. They have a will, maybe a basic trust, and they feel secure. Then one lawsuit changes everything. Their entire fortune vanishes overnight. Well, here's the reality. Once you cross that $5 million threshold, you become a target. Frivolous lawsuits multiply. Business partners turn litigious. Divorces can devastate decades of wealth building. Even family disputes over inheritance can destroy what took generations to create. Most people think Florida's homestead protection is enough. It's not. Yes, your primary residence has incredible protection, but what about your investment properties, your business interests, and your brokerage accounts? Those are completely exposed. I've seen brilliant entrepreneurs lose everything. A doctor worth $8 million got sued by a patient. His insurance covered $2 million. The remaining judgment, it wiped out his entire investment portfolio. His rental properties, his children's college funds, gone. The mistake? He relied on basic planning. He thought a simple revocable trust could protect him. It didn't. Revocable trust offers zero asset protection. They're probate tools, nothing more. So what's the answer? A Florida Domestic Asset Protection Trust combined with a family limited partnership. This is the fortress structure. Let me break down why this combination is so powerful. First, the Florida Domestic Asset Protection Trust. Florida is one of only 19 states that allows these trusts. They're specifically designed to protect assets from future creditors. And here's how it works. You transfer assets into an irrevocable trust. You name an independent trustee. This trustee has complete discretion over distributions. You can be a beneficiary. You just can't control the trust directly. Now here's the magic. Once assets are in this trust for the statutory period, they're untouchable. A creditor sues you, they can't reach these assets. The trust owns them, not you. Florida law explicitly protects them, but there's a catch. You lose direct control. That's where the family limited partnership comes in. This is the second layer of your fortress. You create a family limited partnership. This partnership holds your operating businesses, investment properties, and liquid assets. You serve as a general partner with 1% ownership. The trust holds 99% as a limited partner. This structure gives you both protection and control. Now, as a general partner, you make all management decisions. You run your businesses. You decide which properties to buy or sell. You maintain complete operational control. But you only own 1%. The other 99%, protect it inside the trust. Now, creditors face a nightmare. They can't seize partnership assets directly. Florida law only allows a charging order. That means they can receive distributions if you choose to make them, but they can't force distributions. They can't access the underlying assets. They can't vote. They can't manage. They just wait. And here's the beautiful part. You simply don't make distributions. The creditor gets nothing, but they still owe taxes on the partnership income allocated to their charging order. They're taxed on money they never receive. This is called phantom income. Now, most creditors settle quickly when they face this scenario. Now, this strategy has saved countless families from financial ruin. Now, if you're finding this valuable, tap that like button right now and subscribe so you don't miss my next video on the 3 biggest estate planning mistakes wealthy Floridians make. Now, this structure I'm talking about today does more than just protect assets. It creates generational wealth. Your children and grandchildren become beneficiaries. The trust can last for hundreds of years in Florida. No estate taxes at your death, no probate, no public record of what you own. You also get incredible flexibility. You can add beneficiaries, but remove them if they develop substance abuse problems. Protect a child going through a divorce. Shield a grandchild from their own creditors. The trust adapts to your family's changing needs, but timing does matter. You must set this up before problems arise. Courts will unwind transfers made right before a lawsuit. That's called a fraudulent conveyance. You need at least 4 years of seasoning, preferably more. Start now while you're in a position of strength. The cost? Usually between $15,000 and $30,000 for proper setup, and that's it. Compare that to losing millions in a lawsuit. It's the best insurance policy you'll ever buy. Look, you didn't build your wealth by accident. You worked hard. You made smart decisions, took calculated risks. Don't let one unforeseen event destroy what you've created. This legal structure isn't about hiding assets. It's about smart planning. It's about using Florida law the way it was intended. Now, if you're worth over $5 million, you owe it to your family to explore this exact strategy. Now, if this video helped you understand how to protect your wealth, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more insider strategies on Florida business law and asset protection. I'm Santiago Cueto, your Florida business attorney. Be sure to watch more of my videos right here.